Hello everyone. Sorry you can't see me necessarily at this very moment, but that's because I am going to be looking through all my pre-made ephemera and seeing what would work for our Cowboy gem journal, if there is any pre-made that's ready to go for us. That might be cute. These might work for it. This one would work, I think. Yeah, that would work. Maybe this one. Just seeing what I have here. Flip through them. This would be interesting in one, I think. Maybe this one. Ooh. Alright. These work. I think these would work in them. Why not? Alright, I have a couple that are with red. I kind of like that one. So we'll do that one too. So pull that back in there. Alright. Oh. Still would work. Use that one. I don't really think these ones would work in there. Let's see. Here are some more. I kind of like this here. I think this would look cute in there too. Let's keep her going. This is a bunch that I made out of Roxy creation challenges, so not sure what's all here. Just kind of going through, trying to find ones that may look good for this journal. It's too pink, but I like this. This one might work good inside it. All right. These are like all my stuff that I've been making, mass making and stuff like that. Just trying to go through them all and decide what I'm doing. If any would work for what we're doing. I really like these ones, but I know they're more steampunk looking. This one's more Easterish looking. Yeah, these journal cards are not going to work. What about these? They're like belly bands. That kind of goes with the cowboyish look. Yeah, I have stuff falling. Okay. These packs, that would work. Maybe some of that would be kind of cool. Maybe that one. All right. Again, I'm just trying to keep it going. These are more not really what I'm looking for. Again, envelopes. Gotta love the envelopes. I like mass made these like they were going out of style. Holy cows. And then I am thinking I'm going to keep one of these for the journal when we're done. Whatever pieces are left over out of the original pages, I'll be putting in this little ephemera piece here. A good way of keeping it. So, we found quite a bit of pieces that would work inside it that are different. Now I'm going to go put this back up. Oh, you can hear the storm coming. Wowzers. Alright, now these are pieces I've recently made that might do well with these. I don't know. Another long piece, but that could work. That could be used. Again, I try to hold on to what could be used. For different pieces here. Just go through and that would be a fun piece to add to it. Why not? These could be added to it. I don't want to make so many pieces and then find out I have a bunch already ready to go to be used. And I have a habit of doing that. I like make stuff and then I make more stuff and then I make more stuff. Well, then I never use up the stuff that I already have. Like I was thinking something like this with the, that's old-timey with these young men in the background. Oh, gotta love that. So we'll just take a handful and decide if it looks good or if not it. That would work. This one would work. Well, that sweet little girl, but still, nope. That would work. Boys like bugs. We'll just add her to it. This back in. Again, I just keep on going. If there's something that could work, why not add it to it already? Why keep stuff if it's never getting used. Because I seem to be doing that a lot. Just keeping stuff and never using it. That would be cute in one. We could use the Johnny Appleseed stuff too in this journal. Again, I'm just like flipping through these, what could work and what definitely is not going to work. That might work inside it, but not. I don't think I'm going to have much ephemera to make, just because I've got a lot of farming-ish ephemera sitting here. I need to make a industrial looking one soon. I'm noticing a pattern with some of this stuff, or pieces I should say, where they're starting to look pretty close to the same. That and a purple journal. That one might look good in there too. These are plain. I'm gonna stick these in my need to be decorated, but for some reason isn't. But sewn. They're all sewn. They're just not. That would look good in there. They're just not being used. Again, industrial looking. Some are very empty. Well, I have more of them. Collage cards that just nothing more. They're collaged. They were sewn, but that's as far as it went. And then they somehow ended up in there. That'd be kind of cool as a pocket or a belly band or something. Stick that on there. This on there. That's a napkin one. This would be kind of cool, one of them cake ones. And with all the different fabrics, like the skin. Yeah, that would be cool there. This would be good for that. That's from my dog journal. Somehow it ended up out of it. Or I forgot about it in some way or another. That would work. No. No. Nope. That one's really big. This is a hidden paper clip. That'll work. At least I'm trying to use what I already have. I'm not trying to make more when I already have enough made. Yeah, some of these, I don't know what I was thinking. But I've kept them for such a long time. I'll just stick them in. This is another envelope, one that's supposed to go over a page that's half made. So we'll stick it in, should not be in my done pile. There. So as you can see, I have more than enough already made items that are like westerny looking or boyish, kiddish looking. So I think we're gonna start gluing stuff in after I decide what to keep and what not to keep. But obviously we have way more than enough already made ephemera, and this is what my biggest problem is. Using what I already have and not making new. Like, it's astounding how much. Again, this is just me flipping through 2 boxes of already made ephemera, and I have a already made ephemera in multiple different places now because I keep on mass making them and then not using them. So I recommend when you're making a journal, go through, see if anything matches up with what you're doing. Some of this may not end up in this journal, but that just tells you how much I hoard for different journals and then just never use them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you use your already used ephemera or made ephemera. And also, come check me out at My Hope Craft Shop on Etsy. Bye.